Hello guys, hope doing well. The 555 project that I made today is negative DC-DC converters. It is working pretty well. As you can see, converter with negative output. For example, you want to change the positive 5 volt to minus 5 volt. It is taken from 555 timer application source book with experiment for 1985. I'm trying to make all projects inside the book, and this one is one of the best projects. And here is my breadboard that I made this project. It is not too clean, but it is working very well. As you can see, the input voltage is 544 and the negative output voltage is minus 523. Here is positive, here is negative. Positive, negative. It is very well if you want to use the negative voltage for the op amps. When you want to make virtual ground in op amps, it's much better to make the real minus 5 volt with 555. And this project, I will stay on the schematic for the people that they want to take a screenshot and do it for the projects. Thanks for watching.